Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to stop search engine to follow links on WordPress page and post. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin write Yoast SEO. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to pages. So click on it. Now edit any page, so click on it. Now page open and scroll down, you see Yoast SEO, and then again scroll, you see advanced, so click on it, and then you see should search engine follow links on this page, select no, and then click on update. Now you see page updated, and after selecting no, then search engine not follow links on this page. Now go to post, click on edit. Now scroll down, you see Yoast SEO, again scroll, you see advanced, so click on it, and then you see should search engine follow link on this post, select no, and then click on update. So in this way you can stop search engine to follow link on WordPress page and post. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.